Look at that kitty cat. This is from the cat's point of view. No, you're not gonna say. Okay. Little kitty cats. Meow. Here's another little one.
Big sweetheart. Oh, big sweetheart. Look at the baby trying to play with Mommy's tail. Look at him. She's like, I got it.
Cat therapy.
I got your tail.
Mm-hmm.
Go down. See what everybody else is up to.
Just look at those little babies.
Sweetie.
What's that cat? Meow. Meow.
Nancy. Do all your babies get attention now? And you not so much? Oh, got that boy. What's that noise?
You are so little.
Tiny.
Oh my goodness.
Don't get moved by the cactus. Oh, look at his pretty markings on his belly. That is a pretty blue.
Hi, Beyonce. How are you?
Babies.
Meow.
Got your tail. Got your head. Got your ear. You got me. I'm still little. Can I pick you up again?
Look at that little one trying to get the flies. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. Oh, look at that. Falling over.
The fly.
Just look at this little belly right there. It's just the cutest little belly in the whole wide world. Yes.
Okay. Got any babies? They're okay.
Rough and tumble.
They're okay. Oh,
Right,
they got
Beyonce?
Ew. Oh, he just made us sleep.
Meow. Meow. You're just a star and you know it. Oh.
Play with the tail. Come on, Olivia.